Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're taking a trip to the heart of Italian cuisine. Get ready to savor the flavors as we delve into the secrets behind a beloved dish, Italian baked chicken. But hold on tight because we have some unknown facts to share with you along the way. Let's dive into the world of Italian flavors. Buongiorno, my friends. Today, we find ourselves in a traditional Italian kitchen to uncover the mysteries behind Italian baked chicken. But before we explore the recipe, let's discover some lesser-known facts about this mouth-watering dish. Did you know that baked chicken is a staple in Italian cuisine? Italians have perfected the art of creating tender, juicy chicken infused with aromatic flavors through the baking process. How fascinating! Now, let's move on to fact number 2. Italian baked chicken is often marinated with a combination of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and fragrant herbs. This not only enhances the flavors but also helps to tenderize the chicken, resulting in a succulent and flavorful dish. Ah, the magic of marinades. Now, for our final fact. Italian baked chicken is incredibly versatile and can be paired with various side dishes, such as roasted potatoes, seasonal vegetables, or a fresh salad. It's a wholesome and satisfying meal that can be enjoyed year-round. It's wonderful to know that Italian baked chicken offers endless possibilities for creating a complete and well-rounded meal. Now, let's delve into the flavors and ingredients that make this dish so special. Here are the key ingredients you'll need to recreate this Italian delight at home. You'll need chicken pieces, preferably with the skin on, to retain juiciness and flavor. Along with that, you'll need olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, Italian herbs such as rosemary and thyme, salt, and pepper. These simple ingredients come together to create a burst of Italian flavors. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to prepare the chicken for baking. Start by preheating your oven to the appropriate temperature as mentioned in your recipe. Pat dry the chicken pieces to remove excess moisture, allowing the skin to become crispy during baking. The aromas filling your kitchen will be absolutely enticing. And there you have it. A glimpse into the world of Italian baked chicken, complete with some intriguing unknown facts. Whether you're a fan of crispy skin or succulent meat, this dish is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our culinary adventures. Until next time, buon appetito!